Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to run your PHP file on this WAMP server. So, let's begin. Now to run any PHP file on this WAMP server, you need to first install WAMP Server. So for that, just simply go to your favorite browser and in here just simply type WAMP Server download, then enter. And then you'll be seeing this www.wampserver.com is basically our first search result. So just simply click on this WAMP server. This will automatically going to open this official website of WAMP server. In here you need to simply click on this download button. And it will automatically going to redirect you to this download section, and they have basically these two versions. One is this WAMP server 64-bit and this WAMP server 32-bit. I am using 64-bit operating system, so what I'll be doing is I'll be proceed with this 64-bit operating system. If you are using 32-bit operating system, then you need to simply click on this WAMP server 32-bit and you need to install that 32-bit version. The procedure is more or less same, but I'm just going to simply click on this 64-bit operating system. This will automatically going to pop up this download WAMP server 64-bit 3.2.0 version. In here you can fill up this form if you wish, but I am just simply going to simply click on this you can download it directory link, and this will automatically going to redirect you to this sourceforce.net official website. And it's now currently showing this WAMP server, and here is the download button, that is this download latest version, and the version is 3.2.3. To download, just simply click on that, and here you can clearly see that it's currently telling that your download will start shortly, and it has rightly started downloading WAMP server. I have already downloaded it, so just simply cancel it. And if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see this WAMP server 3.2.3 version has been rightly downloaded over here, and the file size is 443 MB. To install WAMP server, just simply double click on it, and then just simply minimize my download directory. And now after giving administrative privileges, you'll be seeing this pop up from this WAMP server, and it's now currently telling that whether we'd like to use this English language or this language. I'd like to use this English language, so for that just simply select this English language and then just simply click on OK. And now this will show you this license agreement. If you have time, you can always read that. I'm just simply going to accept this license agreement and then just simply click on next. Now it's showing some important information to continue. You can always read that if you have some time. I'm just simply going to simply click on next, and this is going to be your installation destination, that is this C WAMP 64, and you need to have 273.4 MB of free disk space in your C directory. This is very important, guys. You need to have this much amount of free space in your C directory, so always check that before installing any software. So now that you have rightly checked and you have at least this much amount of free space, just simply click on next. This will going to install this PHP version so that you can run your PHP. So they have currently selected PHP 5.6.40. so what I'll be recommending you to this will going to download. This will going to install this PHP version. So they are this will going to also install this PHP version 5.6, then PHP version 7.3, and also they're going to install this MariaDB so that you can run your PHP file using this WAMP server. And they are also going to install this MySql and this PHP MyAdmin 5.0.2. So simply keep this all default, and it's telling that you need to have 1.94 GB of free disk space in your C directory, so you need to have that much amount of free space so that all these files get installed without any problem. So simply keep this all default and then just simply click on next. And it's currently telling that they are going to create this WAMP server 64 directory to install this WAMP server. So keep this all default and then just simply click on next. And now it's telling that it's ready to install, so just simply click on install for installation. And now you can clearly see that the installation has been rightly begun. It will take some time, maybe a minute or two, so for which I'll be coming back after installing WAMP server. Yeah, so we'll come back, and now the installation has almost completed, and it's now currently asking whether we'd like to use Internet Explorer as a default browser, so for which I don't want to use. So for that, just simply click on no. And now it's asking whether we'd like to use notepad.exe as a default text editor for writing PHP code and to run using this WAMP server. So for which I'd like to simply click on yes, and then just simply click on open. This will going to finish up our WAMP server 3.2.3 installation, and it's now currently telling that about 30 seconds left, and now 10 seconds. And now as you can clearly see, our installation has almost completed. If you want to read more instructions, then you need to just follow along this link and you can read that. For the time being, I would like to just simply click on next. I'll show about all those things, you don't need to worry about that. And now just simply click on finish, as your installation has been rightly completed, and our desktop icon has also been created over here. So just simply double click on it. To start our WAMP server, you need to first give these administrative privileges. And now as you can clearly see, it's now currently red, so it's now currently turned to orange. It should turn to green in a short time, and it has rightly turned to green. So our WAMP server is now currently running. So what we need to do is you need to just again simply go to my C directory first, and then you'll be seeing this WAMP 64. So just simply go inside that directory, and here you'll be seeing this www3w folder. So just simply go inside that folder. This is very important, guys. You need to go inside this www folder. This is the folder which is used by WAMP server for hosting any PHP program. So for that, just simply go inside this www folder. This is very important, guys. I just can't explain more about how important this folder. So just simply click on this new folder, and then just simply type php_program, and then just simply go inside that folder. And in here I like to simply write a simple PHP program to show you how you can run your PHP file. So for that, just simply right click on it, and then just simply click on new, then text document. In here, just simply go inside that file, and let's write a simple PHP program over here. Angular bracket PHP, then just simply close that, and just simply echo hello world. So hello world, and just simply go to file, then save as. So you are currently inside this PHP program, so just simply save this file as a prog.php. so this is going to be your file extension .php, and you need to save this file as all file. This is very important. You need to save this file as all file, and then write your program name and then .php, so that this file gets saved as .php file. Just then simply click on save, and you can clearly see this program has been rightly saved as .php file type. Okay, you can just delete this new document, that's not a problem. And now that you have rightly write a simple PHP code snippet and have rightly saved this over here, just simply go to your favorite browser, just open a new tab, and just simply type localhost/ then enter, and then it will be redirect you to this WAMP server's official page. So you have save this file inside this PHP program, right? So just simply copy this file name, PHP program, folder name. Just again come back to your browser URL, then just simply give a slash, then paste your program, and then just simply click on enter, and you will be seeing this proc.php as a file. So just simply click on that, and you will be clearly see this hello world has been rightly shown in your console. It's that simple. You can always verify that whether it's working properly or not. So just simply type hello everyone over here, and then just simply go to file, then save. And if you just simply reload it again, you can clearly see this hello everyone has been rightly shown in our browser. So in this way you install WAMP server, and then I have rightly shown you how to run your PHP file inside your WAMP server. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do share with your friends. I have this website called geeky.com. In here you'll be seeing various tutorials along with some blogs that I have written. So do check our website geeky.com. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like and also do share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.